Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Cynthia Iannaccone, and I'm going to show you how to do Zentangle. It's really easy. This is for beginners. So I created a shape, like a rectangle square shape, and I thicken the lines using a Sharpie, so I have a nice border going around it. And I'm going to divide the space up using an ultra fine Sharpie. Okay, now Zentangle you can do on any surface. This is just my sketch pad, but I've also done it on rocks, which is a lot of fun, and artist playing cards. This is watercolor with the Zentangle ink. So let's work on this piece. So I started doing the very basic, simple checkerboard. So you divide it, you divide your lines like a brick pattern, and you can do them at different angles. And don't worry about being perfect. You can go back up and fix your mistakes, just like that. Okay. You alternate every other one. So traditionally, Zentangle was meant to have just symbols and nothing representational, but I don't believe that's true anymore, and I think it's really fun to add flowers, snails. The last one I did had snails in it. Leaves. I like organic things. Everybody has a different style, and you'll see that when you look at a lot of different Zentangles. So, I also like to color it in using different types of markers, brush markers. My favorite right now is the Faber-Castell. And this is a brush marker. I just love them. Okay, so the thing is to think of different patterns, repeating patterns. And you can also do Zentangle with the gel markers, which is a lot of fun. I also have a trick. Well, it's sort of a trick. It's not really. But it's using a white gel pen. You can fix your mistakes. It'll cover the black ink very nicely. Okay, let's see. I might continue this pattern this way, just for movement, a little bit of movement, going through the design, just like that. I have to figure out what I'm going to put in it. So now I think I'm going to break up this shape or space and this one. This one I think I'll go this way. Just like that. And I'm thinking I might put flowers in here. Maybe a rose type flowers with petals and leaves. Put a leaf. Okay, so the next thing what you want to do is fill in the area around the rose so it stands out more. Just like that. Sometimes I like to leave little bits of white space in my black area. I just like the way it kind of is like a intaglio print. for a monoprint. Where you can see some of the lines. Okay, so again, I'm going to do alternate. And I'll put one in here. And put maybe a leaf here, part of it. Sometimes also I like to put like dots. So color around that. Just like that. Put another one there. And then I can color those in with my brush pens. So I'm going to continue this and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, thank you.